How to create website with Mobirise. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to create a website with Mobirise. So first you have to go to any web browser and you need to install this one. So tap this one, and since I'm using Windows, I'm going to download for Windows, but everything is up to you if you're using Mac. So download this one, run as administrator, open, log into your account, and then once you see this, you have successfully logged in. This is Mobirise, and it's very easy. What you're going to do here is you have to look for a site because you're going to create a site from scratch. No need for coding. Here, what you're going to do is you have to click Create New Site. You can also ask a help from AI, but let's just create from scratch right here. So basically, this is what it looks like. We're going to create from a blank page. You can see your different templates. If you want to use, you can search for a specific keyword, for example, food. Also, same thing with themes. You just have to look for food and you will see templates and themes related to food. But of course, for this time, for this tutorial, let's just start from scratch so that I can show you what are the features that you can add when you start from scratch. Okay, so these are the sample templates and themes, but I'm going to start from scratch. So I'm going to tap this one right here. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And then this time you have to select this add a blank page. Tap this one. And that's it. So I'm going to create a new site right here. Don't worry, you will see here mobile view and desktop view. So click create a new page. And here it is. So on this left side, you will see here the result of the features that you're going to add. For example, we have here menu, we have here features, we have here image and video. There are a lot of things that you can add. All you have to do is click each of this and then add it. For example, for menu, this is what it looks like. You have to select from any of this menu header right here, and then you just have to double click and you can easily edit this, add, remove, replace. So for example, I want this one. So if I'm going to tap this, then you see it's added to my Mobirise website. And what I'm going to do now is I'll just have to simply change everything here if I want. I want to add a link for my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. If you want to delete, just click delete. So basically that's it. So next we have here is for header. Choose from any of the sample here. For example, if you want this header, let's just say I want something related to food. So I'm going to tap that and it will be added to my website, and I'm going to edit this. So for a header like this, what you're going to do is you have to link or add your video. For example, if you have your YouTube channel or if you have your other site where you showcase your platform, your website, other website, or you showcase your talent or your project or your business, just paste the link right here. But I want to replace this one with this, so I'm going to delete this because I don't have videos yet. So I just want to add this one. Here I'm going to add the name of my website. Below, I'm going to add the description. So this is the name of my website, Delicious Bites, your culinary adventure waits. Here I can change the color. And then below, I can add the description of my website. Or let's just say I offer cooking class. So I'm going to add a description right here. So I'm going to add, and then I can change the color if I want. And then if I click create website right here, then basically I can add my other website. For example, if I had my WordPress, if I have my other website that I want to add here, then basically I just have to copy and link. Now I can change the color. I can add more sites. I can delete. And then here I can add other icons. For example, this one. That means you need to click this in order for you to be notified, something like that. Okay, so that's it. This is the mobile view. Now let's go back. Okay, so I'm going to add features. Here, I want to select features. I'm going to promote, or I'm going to showcase my 3 best pictures. So I'm going to add this one. Click this. It will be added to my Mobirise website. And I'm going to click again this one. I'm going to add pictures and description. So here you can add picture from your computer, from their gallery. You can also add from Pixabay. For this time, I'm going to show you how to add pictures from their gallery. So you just have to search for a specific picture, or you just keyword, and then it will show you some samples, and all you have to do is to select one. Let's just say if I want to add this, click and then wait till you see the picture below, click OK, and this is what it looks like. The next one, it's the same thing. Look for other picture, and then this one again. Now, I am not satisfied with this one, so I want to go to Pixabay, but be careful. Make sure that the picture is, of course, for free. Okay, so go back and then look for Browse Computer. Go to Download, add this, click OK. So here it is. These are my feature pictures. I'm going to delete and then change the name, description, everything here. For example, this one, I'm going to change this, and then the second one. So basically, as a result, then here it is. I have added the pictures, the description, the title, and so on. Okay, so go back, click this plus icon, and then I'm going to add another. So this one, article, you can add article here if you want to add some articles about your history, your past work or job, or the success of your business, something like that. Also, you can add image and video if you want to showcase more of your videos and images. You can also add gallery here so that they can see more of your pictures. You can add your team, so add team, add people. You can also add context so that the customers or clients can reach you directly. And then you can also add this one like social if you want to add your social media account, footer. You can also add form. Okay, so just simply click key form. But actually, this one is not necessary for me. And then we have here news. If you want to add list, if you want to add FAQs, numbers, and then pricing. So if you want to showcase, if you want to add pricing right here so that they can choose, and then they know also the amount if they want to purchase or if you want to enroll to your culinary class. Okay, and it's time to edit everything. So let's start with this one. It's the same thing. You just have to click and then add browse from the computer, or there's no option for adding from their gallery. So browse from computer, these are my pictures. Also same thing with the gallery, add pictures from computer. Simply add it right here and then change description, change the title, the name, the team. I'm going to add their pictures and then add their names right here and their details. So basically, this is what it looks like, or this is the result. I have added them. And then also same thing with your contact, okay, or forms like this. Add your phone number, email address, add your working hours. And then if you want to add a contact form, then basically you just have to simply add this. You can change the picture if you want to. All they have to do is add their name and email address and then submit. And then below here is the pricing. And basically that's it. And then you can change this. For example, this one includes cooking class, food photography, and so on. So basically that's it. What you're going to do is to simply add and then edit word, pictures, add links, and so on. And basically, that's how easy it is to create a website with Mobirise. No need for coding, just create an account, start from scratch. You can also start from templates, add, remove, add link, and publish. So basically, that's how easy it is. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.